Hi everyone, this is Marnie Gold and I'm a new Jamberry Nails Consultant, and I just received my Jamberry Nails Host Consultant Kit, and I'm really excited to open it, so I figured I'd open it for you all to see. It's very, very heavy, and I'm opening it for the first time. I want to give you all a look at everything that's inside. So it looks like, ooh, these are really cool. So these wraps are a cool paisley design. I don't know if you can see. They're called Psychedelic Style. I love it. And let's see. Looks like I have the Jamberry catalog, the startup guide, which has lots of information on being a new consultant. Catalogs to host or join. Ooh, cute. Save the date cards for a Jamberry party. And those can be mailed out. 2 packs of those. Ooh, lots and lots and lots of catalogs. That's what makes this so heavy. There's 2 packs of catalogs, and there's order forms over here. And ooh, look at this. I get a kit. What else is in here? And these are the other wraps that I ordered with my kit. So this one, you can see, is the gold fishnet, which I thought was really awesome because you can wear this alone or you can wear it over another wrap or another color. This is fresh fern. I don't know if you can tell. It's got kind of a greenish color with the gold. You're sensing a trend in the ones that I like. And another one I got is Lost Ruins. This is a really kind of cool, interesting design. It's also kind of a sheer one, so it can be worn over other designs. And I got the mini heater. I'm so excited. And I got lots of sample sheets and cuticle oil. So let's open up this kit. Here is my cute little Jamberry kit. I'm just going to open it up and see what's inside. So inside we have some buffing blocks, the branded buffing blocks. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this all one-handed. Alcohol wipes. Ooh, that's cool. Some cuticle scissors. Lots of orange sticks. Nail files. And I'm trying to get out to show you the cuticle pusher that's in here. There we go. And this cool, handy-dandy, rubber-tipped cuticle pusher that we can use to push down those Jamberry wraps, just like the ones I have on now. I'm very excited about all this stuff. This is really going to help me go from 0 to 60 in hopefully a very short period of time. I'm really excited. I started my launch party this past Wednesday. It is now Monday. I've already got $105 in sales in my launch party, as well as 1 party booked and a possible first consultant recruit. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.